Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Consider the following statements A to D, each with one or two blanks. So let's see the options. First is bear go into blank during winter. So bears in winter, they escape the winter condition by undergoing hibernation. Hibernation is also known as winter sleep. Here the organism lowers its metabolism and escape in some warm places to blank cold weather. So bears they go into hibernation to escape the cold condition. Now the next is a conical age pyramid with a broad base. So when an age pyramid, it means here the organisms or humans with pre-reproductive age, means pre-reproductive age group organisms are represented here. Then it is broad. Then next is reproductive age group members which have attained the puberty, and then next is post-reproductive, means the organism which have lost the, means old people which have lost their capability of reproduction. Now if the base is broad, so this is a conical pyramid, age pyramid. Now in the future this population will increase because reproductive age group will be converted into the post reproductive, while the pre-reproductive will change into the reproductive. These pre-reproductive age group will now be transformed into the reproductive. As the pre-reproductive age group is having more population than the reproductive, it means in future this population will increase. So a conical age pyramid with a broad base represent increasing human population. Next is a wasp pollinating a fig flower is an example of, so it is an example of mutualism, because here for a particular fig flower species, there is a particular species of wasp, and here both are benefited with each other, and also the wasp cannot complete its life cycle without fig, and fig cannot complete its life cycle without wasp. So such a mutually beneficial relationship is known as mutualism. The next is an area with high levels of species richness is known as, so it is known as a hotspot. An area which is having a high degree of species richness and also the high degree of endemism is known as a biological or biodiversity hotspot. So we have filled all the blanks. Now let's see the options. Which one of the following options gives the correct fill-ups for the respective blanks number from 1 to 5 in the statement? So here A, 3 stable. So 3 increasing. So this one is discarded because 3 will be increasing, not stable. Then next option is A, estivation. So estivation is the summer sleep, but bears undergo winter sleep. So this one is incorrect. Third statement is 3 expanding. So increasing or expanding is true. The population will expand or increase. So this one is true. Fourth is commensalism. No, this is not a commensalism, because in commensalism only one member is benefited while other remains unaffected. But here both the members are benefited, mutually benefited. So this is not commensalism, rather it is mutualism. So this one is discarded. Now the next is A, hibernation. So this is true. 2, escape. So this one is also true. 3, expanding. So this one is true. And fifth is hotspot. So this one is also true. So in option D, all the fill-ups are correct. So this is our right answer. I hope it is clear. All the best.